So in the beginning of this year, I made the commitment. I decided to quit my 9 to 5 job as soon as possible and then dedicate myself entirely to my online business. But in order to do that, I needed to secure or to take my online business to the point where I can rely only on it. So right now I'm doing my 9 to 5 job, but I have good news about my online business. The reason I made that commitment is that I felt the need to spend more time with my family and my kids. And since I didn't want them to be affected by my decision, I did not set a time limit. I let it take the time it needs to take. I did not more pressure. So all I had to do is change one habit and I was able to do it. I will tell you about it in a minute. So since the beginning of the year, I've been working on my 9 to 5 job and also working on my online business, my side hustle, and I managed to earn more than $15,000 in 9 months, January to September. We are now the 23rd. I managed to earn $15,000. And I think this is a nice start because if you do the math and if I continue doing what I'm doing right now, I will be around 20,000 a year by December. So I guess this strategy is working and all I have to do is continue doing it, optimize it, and scale it. Now let's go ahead and see some results. I will start with this network here, Warrior Plus, which is an affiliate network for digital products. If I go as a vendor here and check the stats, I want to see from January 1st until today what I was able to earn as a vendor. So this is January 1st until today. Let's click go and see the result, $11,500. So this is as a vendor. If I go as an affiliate selling other people's products, and I will put the same date, January 1st until today, let's click go. So this is $3,938 as an affiliate. And if I go to another network, which is an affiliate tool, actually, it is a great platform for affiliate marketers, especially beginners. This is a great tool. It has the traffic and it has the tools. So you can use it if you are a beginner. There are $3,000 in affiliate earnings. So if we do the math, you have in 9 months as a vendor on Warrior Plus 11,000, as an affiliate 3,900, and on Leads Leap as an affiliate $3,000, which is $18,499 in 9 months. I will show you the strategy I use in affiliate marketing in a second, and I will also show you what is the habit that I had to change in order for me to be able to have the time to produce content for my online business. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and activate all notifications. And if you like this kind of content, please smash that like button. It will be a huge favor. So here's the idea. We start from the point where you know yourself, you know your skills, you know your qualities and your values, and you know what you can offer to the world. So now you need to find out where your target audience is. You do some research, of course, and then you help them by first giving away free content without asking for anything. You just give free content. It can be an image, it can be a tutorial, it can be an ebook, it can be a video, it can be an advice, it can be a skill, it can be entertainment, it can be anything. The most important thing is that you need to be able to produce useful content and put it out there without asking for nothing. And after that, you want to be giving away better content for an opt-in. You need to build a list. That list is like an asset. That's a very important, the most important asset, because if you lose all your traffic, you still keep your email list. And the last point is that you need to offer something for sale. It can be your own product, your own course, or anything that you can imagine or that you can do, or it can be someone else's product and you take a cut, you take a commission from that sale. There are two big things here. The first one is to know where your audience is hanging out. I mean, some people are on YouTube, others are on Facebook, others are just searching on Google, and you need to know where your target audience is. And the traffic, it's not that you drive traffic to yourself or to your stuff. It's you that go to the traffic where it is and put yourself in a place where people can see you. So this is where the second idea, the second important idea comes in place. You need to be able to produce content, any kind of content. So you check your skills, check what you can offer to the world to resolve their problems and help them, and then produce content. Now, before I tell you about the habit that I needed to change in order to have time to work on my business and also to produce content for my business, let's go to some strategy details. It is very important to find your perfect affiliate offer or affiliate product, the offer that represents you, that represents your values. It's very important to find one or two offers like that and stick to them. And it's best when those offers or products offer recurring commissions month after month. So this is passive income. It represents you. You are okay with the business, and then you promote it consistently. You can of course promote other things here and there, but you need to have one or two opportunities that you promote all the time. The second thing, and this is also to stay always focused, it is very important to master one or two passive traffic strategies. And by passive traffic, I want to say that it's when you do the work once and you keep receiving traffic from that work for months or for years to come. So let's say, for example, it's a YouTube video that is well done and has success. It will stay there sending you traffic for months to come. Also for an article, if your article ranks on Google and there are lots of search for your keywords, you will receive traffic from Google. And that's the thing. You need to work once and receive traffic for years to come. And of course, you need to be continuously learning and tweaking the strategies. Don't worry if you fail. Take risks, try new things, and if you fail, you will learn something new. It's not a problem. So this is exactly the three things that you need to keep in mind. You need to stick to one or two passive income opportunities or affiliate offers, master one or two passive traffic strategies, consistently learn and tweak the strategies. And YouTube actually is a great place to learn. There are videos about everything you need. So you spend some time on YouTube, you learn. If you have lack of motivation, watch motivation videos. If you feel yourself procrastinating, go take a walk or go to the gym, for example. And the most important thing, do not put a time limit to achieve your goals. Give it the time it needs to take. Now, if you want to discover some of real examples applying the strategy we just spoke about, please check the link in the description below this video. When you get to this page, check every affiliate funnel here. There are some quick affiliate funnels that can offer trainings, advice, and that also offer opportunity to make affiliate commissions. Here is the habit that I was talking about from the beginning, and it is to wake up early. 3:30 is the best moment to wake up. So you go to bed at 10 or 10:30 and then you wake up at 3:30 a.m. You have at least 3 hours and to work on your online business without nobody disturbing you. You are by your own, and believe me, you will see amazing effects on you, on your health, on yourself, on your mood. There are like amazing effects. So thank you very much for making it so far in the video, and I will see you on the next one.